Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to do a little bit of a monthly knife club update video. So before we kick anything off, go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content, because you're going to want to be on the lookout for it. And also, this video, these knives that I'm going to be showing you were very generously provided by Monthly Knife Club, a monthly knife subscription service. Yeah, that's right. And if you are interested in them, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. They have a bunch of different knives, knife subscription boxes for you to choose from. So, you know, you have a good variety. They also have a store on their website that, you know, if you're looking for a particular knife, or if you just want to browse the knives that they sell. And also you can probably find knives that have been included in, you know, sort of overstock on some of the subscription boxes. And they do run a lot of sales. So always check out that store and see, you know, you catch a good knife that maybe you've been looking for, catch it at a good price. Okay. So before we get into the new stuff that they sent, we're going to be going back to the Ferrum Forge Zelix, which was one of their tier 2 name brand knife that they sent over here. And it's a really good little pocket knife. You know, we had somebody win it, a guy named Brandon won it, never contacted me, so we're going to give it away. We're going to give it away again, and I'm going to put a length of time that you guys need to reach out to me if you do win something. And if you don't, you know, if you don't get in contact with me within a time period, I'm going to throw it back in the mix and give it away again. So the next knife that we got is from their Onyx Collector's Plan. This is the QSP Penguin. This is the next knife that we're going to give away, and I'm going to kick that off on the 4th of July. That's right, Tuesday. I will have a video up on the channel that will start the giveaway for the QSP Penguin, and we will open this knife up and we will look at it and all that good stuff, and we'll gawk at it, and I'll get real sad knowing that I'm going to give that knife away. Not really. I'm really excited because I want one of you guys to win it. So let's look at some of these knives that they sent over here, and we will check them out and see what is on the horizon for us from Monthly Knife Club. And again, shout out to Monthly Knife Club, because they are providing these knives for me. Initially, they just wanted me to review them, and you know, and I just decided to give them away. And without them doing this, you know, this wouldn't be possible. So I really do greatly appreciate them. And make sure you go to their website and you know, check them out. Maybe give them some business if you can, and shout them out. They've got YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So just make sure, you know, if you're, you know, on those platforms, make sure to tag them and you know, share it to friends and everything. You know, especially if you have people that really, you know, are into knives or looking for knives. You know, definitely send them over there. And if you don't mind, tell them to reference my YouTube channel. Let them know that I am trying to help them out, and you know, give them some love and send some business their way. You know, because they are really good people over there, and I greatly appreciate them sending these knives to the channel. And this is a zero tolerance model 0350 folder. Let's see. Wow, and this is a big knife. Like, check that out. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Let's see. What do we got here? It is big, aggressive, handful of a knife. Ooh, that was nice. Oh, it's an assist. Okay. All right. Well, I felt really cool there for a second. I was like, well, I got that thing out with some force, but it's got an assist, which we like anyway, right? We like having the assist. It makes us feel like we're overpowered, you know, like we done leveled up. First impression, you know, it does have some irregular shaping to it, but it's still very pleasant to look at aesthetically. And I do like the curvature here going on the top of the scales here, and it does have some really aggressive jimping up here at the top, right where your thumb needs to be. We do have a choil here for your index, and you know, the flipper tabs, you know, gives you a natural stop. I love that. You know, I talk about that all the time, and I do love how this sweep you know, matches the top of the scale is kind of mirrored on the bottom, so that it kind of fits really nice in your hand. Really nice. I really like that, and I really dig on the blade shape. And it also has a cutout, you know, sort of a cutout here. If you really wanted to get that control and put your thumb up on the spine here, they do have that available for you. There's no jimping on it, but still, it gives, hopefully that comes through real good right here. They do have a little dip here, a little recess right here for your thumb, for that control, you know, going out there on the blade, really getting that control grip. Very nice, man. We love that. Man, God dog, I like this knife. And we got some jimping here at on the tail. On the tail. And what's interesting about this is the pocket clip. Okay, the pocket clip is reversible. You can see it's got a shallow clip. It has a shallow clip there, but you can see we got holes on this backside. Hopefully you can see that. We got holes up here, but we also have holes on the tail. So you can theoretically, I'm pretty sure I don't see why you wouldn't be able to, unless the blade might get in there. But no, it wouldn't, because it doesn't interfere with the top. So yes, you could rotate that. You could rotate that clip to the tail and have it going into your pocket the other way. You know, going in, instead of going in like this with the pointy end down here, you could flip it around and have the pocket clip up here where it's going in this way. I don't know if I'd want to do that. I kind of like the blade going down. That's just my personal preference. But you know, you can flip it around. So, you know, if you get down that way, we do have a lashing hole here at the very tail. You know, that's kind of above these two places where you can put the pocket clip. But yeah, awesome knife. Love it. Ooh, I like it. You know, that nice forceful, you know, flip out. Just love it. Love it. This is okay. So what we got here? We got CPM S30V. So this is a very good knife. This is, you know, got some really good steel. This is rocking the same kind of steel that Spyderco uses on a bunch of their knives. Let's see. And the scales have this like real micro type texturing on there that you know, really, even if your hands were wet, you could still get purchase on here. So very, very nice. I really do like that. Man, I like this knife. See, I knew that Monthly Knife Club was going to start trolling me. They were going to start sending me knives to give away that you know, they knew I was going to like. Man, 6.2 ounces on this, 3.25 overall. I mean 3.25 folded, 7.6 overall when we're deployed. Okay, CPM S30V stainless, sculpted G10, drop point, Cerakote on the blade, and it says opening is speed safe. Whoo! This knife has a $119 value. $119. And so does our penguin. Our penguin over there. Okay. So yeah, this is going to be a really good knife. This is going to make somebody very, very happy. Okay, so we got that knife. Very, very nice. God dog. Man. Alright, that's cool. I'm not going to drink no haterade. I'm not going to do it. Very, very awesome knife, man. Thank you, Monthly Knife Club, for sending this knife over. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. And that was out of their Onyx plan, and we got another one out of their Tier 2 name brand knife. This is the Damn Designs Chimera folder. Let's see. And yeah. So here's our second knife. All right, I like these boxes. These boxes, I believe I got one of these knives. I might have got this knife if I remember right, but then I don't know. Oh, we got a sealed bag. I'm gonna have to cut it open. I gotta free this knife. Gotta free it. Whoo! Look at that, man. Look at that. Man, that's like a Lamborghini. It's just so sleek, and that matte black and that like gunmetal gray. I like that. That's nice. I like it. See if I can get my shirt in there where you can really see it good. But yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Whew. Man. And I'm wondering if you pull this out, if the clip is reversible. Let's see. All right, let's see what we got before we open it up. Okay, it's Chimera. I don't care what a Chimera is. It says this is a Tonto style blade made of 14 C28N Sandvik stainless. Okay, deploys buttery smooth. They say, thanks to ball bearing pivot system. It says the handle is a work of art, and the handle looks really cool. Like I said, it's very sleek looking, so I will agree. The handle looks really, really cool. Let's see, G10 scales, and it says it'll make your buds jealous. So there you go. This knife is supposed to make your friends jealous. But I'm wondering if this clip is reversible, because see here on the tail, they have this little cover put in there, and then the ply clip is on this side, but it's recessed. So I'm wondering if this is just covering it up. I don't know. 5.3 ounces. 3.4 blade, 8.10 overall, 14 C28 in Sandvik steel, G10 handles. Okay. All right, let's open her up. We do have thumb studs here, also, but we do have a flipper tab. And if there's a flipper tab, I'm always going to go to the flipper tab. Yeah, she's a Tonto, and it's rocking a frame lock. I mean, not a frame lock, a liner lock. Though, what am I saying? There we go. It does have a really good deploy. And it's very pretty. It has like this kind of stonewash blade on it, which a lot of people like, especially with the black. To me, this knife aesthetically is very, very, very nice. Having the matte black and then the stonewash. We do have some jimping up here, right where your thumb's going to be. We do have a choil here that the liner lock tab has jimping on it. So when you're in your index, you can kind of feel it a little bit, but not really bad. Fits really good in the hand though, and that jimping is right there. So if you are holding the knife like this and you naturally put your thumb where the jimping is, you're kind of automatically, or you're kind of defaultly going into a control grip. And it is a big knife, so nothing wrong with that. So yeah, there you go. In my hands, there you go. There you go. Yeah, so very nice. Tonto. This carries a $55 price tag. And yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it. I like it. It's very nice. It's a very pretty knife. Very, very sleek, very simple. Not a lot of flair and stuff. And sometimes, simple is elegant. And elegant is lovely. So yeah, like it. Let's see if I can deploy it with the thumb stud. I'm not good at deploying with a thumb stud, but yeah, I can get it out just fine. Thanks to that ball bearing action, right? Yeah, you can get it out no problem either way. So yeah, Tonto style blade, love it, awesome. Okay, so this is gonna be knife number 4 for our giveaway. Man, I'm gonna be giving away a ton of stuff. Woo! A ton of MREs and everything's gonna be coming from me. Because like I said, going forward in all these giveaways, I'm going to be giving away, more stuff than just the knives, which you will see. And they give you a little cleaning pad here with their logo on it. So yeah, that's cool. All right. So that's what we got. These are our 4. These are our 4 knives. We have this one. We have the zero tolerance. We're going to redo the Ferrum Forge, and we got the QSP Penguin. So we got 4 knives. 4 knives to do, and I hope you guys are going to be excited. I really do, because these are 4 really good knives. And yeah, so I told you guys I was going to kind of open these boxes and show you before we start doing the giveaways. And yeah, I hope you guys now are excited and really looking forward to getting your hands on one or all one of the knives at least. But I'm going to read a comment real quick, and I know that the comments, me doing the videos and then reading comments at the end, it makes the videos run real long, and I get it. I did have a comment saying that the videos are really long, and yeah, the videos are long. So what I'm going to do, I'll just make a special video for the comments. But there's one comment I want to read. And it is from Bob Clark, 7076, which is funny because I know a guy here where I live named Bob Clark, but I don't think that I doubt that it's you. So anyway, when I open a lot of the boxes like Hunt Vault and stuff, and I get targets, okay, I always make the comment that, yeah, I love getting targets because, you know, I always need targets. I'm always using targets and everything. Well, Mr. Bob commented and said, you know, when you said targets are nice and you always need them, and you threw the box on the floor. Look at the bottom of the box, referring to Hunt Vault. So, oh man, here we go. Hunt Vault, bottom of the box. Yeah.